everyone, welcome to Fresa Technologies YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see how to upload the shipment under the job in Fresa application. Initially, we have to log into Fresa application. After your successful login, this is how your dashboard looks. Here, we have to select the respective job. Now, the job page will be displayed on the screen. On this job page, we have to click the shipment tab. Then we have to click the upload shipment button. Now we have to click the download sample format button, then it will be downloaded in sample Excel format. Now the Excel format will be downloaded. Here we have to enter the required details. Then we have to copy the EDI format. Now go to the upload subjob page. We have to enter the EDI format as in the table without changing the formula. Then we have to click the next button. Now we have to select the required shipment. Then we have to click the next button. On this subjob summary page, we have to check the details. Then we have to click the finish button. Here we can see the uploaded shipment. This is how to upload the shipment under the job in Fresa application. Thanks for watching.